What if God himself designed a nation's battle plan? In Numbers 2, he places every tribe in its exact position: north, south, east, and west. At the very center, the tabernacle, his presence among his people. This isn't just organization, it's divine strategy. Now the Lord spoke to Moses and to Aaron, saying,
The sons of Israel shall camp, each by his own flag, with the banners of their fathers' households. They shall camp around the tent of meeting at a distance. Now those who camp on the east side toward the sunrise shall be of the flag of the camp of Judah by their armies. And the leader of the sons of Judah, Nahshon, the son of Amminadab, and his army, their numbered men, 600. Those who camp next to him shall be the tribe of Issachar, and the leader of the sons of Issachar, Nethanel the son of Zuar, and his army, their numbered men, 4,400. Then follows the tribe of Zebulun, and the leader of the sons of Zebulun, Eliab the son of Helon, and his army, his numbered men, 7,400. The total of the numbered men of the camp of Judah, 186,400 by their armies. They shall set out first. On the south side shall be the flag of the camp of Reuben by their armies, and the leader of the sons of Reuben, Elizur the son of Shadur, and his army, their numbered men, 46,500. And those who camp next to him shall be the tribe of Simeon, and the leader of the sons of Simeon, Shelumiel the son of Zurishaddai, and his army, their numbered men, 50,300. Then follows the tribe of Gad, and the leader of the sons of Gad, Eliasaph the son of Duel, and his army, their numbered men, 45,650. The total of the numbered men of the camp of Reuben, 151,450 by their armies, and they shall set out second. Then the tent of meeting shall set out with the camp of the Levites in the midst of the camps. Just as they camp, so they shall set out, every man in his place by their flags. On the west side shall be the flag of the camp of Ephraim by their armies, and the leader of the sons of Ephraim, Elishama the son of Ammihud, and his army, their numbered men, 4,500. Next to him shall be the tribe of Manasseh, and the leader of the sons of Manasseh, Gamaliel the son of Pedazur, and his army, their numbered men, 30,200. Then follows the tribe of Benjamin, and the leader of the sons of Benjamin, Abidan the son of Gideoni, and his army, their numbered men, 35,400. The total of the numbered men of the camp of Ephraim, 108,100 by their armies, and they shall set out third. On the north side shall be the flag of the camp of Dan by their armies, and the leader of the sons of Dan, Ahiezer the son of Ammishaddai, and his army, their numbered men, 62,700. Those who camp next to him shall be the tribe of Asher, and the leader of the sons of Asher, Pagiel the son of Okran, and his army, their numbered men, 41,500. Then follows the tribe of Naphtali, and the leader of the sons of Naphtali, Ahira the son of Enan, and his army, their numbered men, 53,400. The total of the numbered men of the camp of Dan was 157,600. They shall set out last by their flags.
These are the numbered men of the sons of Israel by their fathers' households. The total of the numbered men of the camps by their armies, 603,550. The Levites, however, were not counted among the sons of Israel, just as the Lord had commanded Moses. So the sons of Israel did all this, according to all that the Lord commanded Moses. So they camped by their flags, and so they set out, everyone by his family according to his father's household. And now, as the tribes take their place, God turns his attention to the priests, the sons of Aaron, who are set apart to serve in his presence. Numbers 3 begins with the record of Aaron's sons, chosen for the holy duty of priesthood. Now these are the records of the generations of Aaron and Moses at the time when the Lord spoke with Moses on Mount Sinai. These then are the names of the sons of Aaron: Nadab the firstborn, and Abihu, Eleazar, and Ithamar. These are the names of the sons of Aaron, the anointed priests, whom he ordained to serve as priests. But Nadab and Abihu died in the presence of the Lord when they offered strange fire before the Lord in the wilderness of Sinai, and they had no children. So Eleazar and Ithamar served as priests in the lifetime of their father Aaron. Then the Lord spoke to Moses, saying,
Bring the tribe of Levi forward and present them before Aaron the priest, that they may serve him. They shall perform the duties for him and for the whole congregation in front of the tent of meeting to do the service of the tabernacle. They shall also take care of all the furnishings of the tent of meeting, along with the duties of the sons of Israel, to do the service of the tabernacle. So you shall assign the Levites to Aaron and to his sons. They are exclusively assigned to him from the sons of Israel. So you shall appoint Aaron and his sons that they may keep their priesthood, but the layman who comes near shall be put to death.
Again the Lord spoke to Moses, saying,
Now behold, I have taken the Levites from among the sons of Israel instead of every firstborn, the firstborn of the womb among the sons of Israel. So the Levites shall be mine. For all the firstborn are mine. On the day that I fatally struck all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, I sanctified to myself all the firstborn in Israel, from the human firstborn to animals. They shall be mine. I am the Lord.
Then the Lord spoke to Moses in the wilderness of Sinai, saying,
Count the sons of Levi by their fathers' households, by their families. Every male from a month old and upward you shall count.
So Moses counted them according to the word of the Lord, just as he had been commanded. These then are the sons of Levi by their names: Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. And these are the names of the sons of Gershon by their families: Libni and Shimei. And the sons of Kohath by their families: Amram and Izhar, Hebron and Uzziel. And the sons of Merari by their families: Mahli and Mushi. These are the families of the Levites, according to their fathers' households. Of Gershon was the family of the Libnites and the family of the Shimeites. These were the families of the Gershonites. Their numbered men, in the counting of every male from a month old and upward, their numbered men were 7,500. The families of the Gershonites were to camp behind the tabernacle westward. And the leader of the fathers' households of the Gershonites, Eliasaph, the son of Lael.